We've had a great day today. There's been fantastic presentations by leaders in their field. The whole day has been very, very interesting. Learned a lot and really enjoyed it again.
We've covered a lot of topics of knee surgery, from sports through to arthroplasty, with key speakers from around the country. So I think it's been a great learning opportunity, particularly for surgeons, but also for allied professionals, theatre technicians and physiotherapists to come and learn a little bit about a lot of orthopaedics.
People who are here today are obviously interested in looking after patients. So those are the people who are coming to us, and we're talking to them about how we can help them.
So it's been one of the busiest Orthopaedic Knee Conferences I've seen. It's been very busy. Lots of consultant surgeons, lots of nurses, lots of support staff. So it's been a very good day.
Quite a lot of them are consultants directly, so they're kind of orthopaedic knee surgeons.
And they're coming over to the exhibition stand and having a look, and this event so far has been a really, really good one for us.
This morning I was talking about my contribution in Middle East with International Red Cross. I'm showing some individuals who've been affected by this. So I think it is people can understand the situation a bit better and see the ugly side of the war.
I came to listen to what's new about knee replacement. I'm not familiar with robotic surgery, so that was an interesting talk in the morning.
It's good to come to the events, to hear the views and the outlook from other people, to certainly see what everybody else is working on and just take some ideas home from it.
It's been a great day. Over the day we've heard some fantastic talks regarding knee surgery.
Of course, it's nice to take a day out from work and come and enjoy all the talks about the recent advances in knee surgery.